What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Amar1. I make videos with my Z and my R1, and in this video we are getting the 370Z Blackout Tinted. So if you've been following the build, I'll link somewhere over here to last week's video. You saw that I finally got my V1 Nismo spoiler put on, but I switched out my trunk, and I'll do some B-roll of what the inside of my car currently looks like. As you guys can see, there is literally no tint on this used trunk that I got, and it was actually kind of tripping me out whenever I was driving home initially, because I thought that the trunk was open as I was driving because so much light was getting in. That being said, yeah, we are gonna head over to my boy's tint shop. I've been going to him since like pre-COVID. It's Junior's Tints in Burleson. I'll throw up his contact info somewhere in this video. If you're in the DFW area, highly recommend him. He's taking care of multiple vehicles for me. Let's go ahead and head over there, and we'll do some drone footage. We'll try to get some sick edits, and we'll see a before and after. So I'll catch you guys there. Peace. All right, guys, we made it over here to my boy's tint shop, and so we'll do a quick walk around of the Z. If you guys were wondering, the specs of the tint that I'm going to be doing is going to be ceramic tint, and if we look back here, you can see this trunk is clearly visible because there's absolutely no tint on this thing. But we'll do a walk around. We're going to get the eyebrow done, we're going to get all the windows done, and this is what it looks like now. And if you guys were wondering, we're definitely going to keep this thing legal. Jesus Christ, I've tried to wink and the freaking sun got in my eyes, but anyway, yeah, we'll keep it legal. That's another wink. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the drone set up. We'll move the Z inside. We'll do a sick edit. Yeah, let's jump into it. Alright guys, so we are all wrapped up. Hopefully that edit was sick, but oh my god, the Z looks so much better. You guys can just tell from right now, like the whole thing is like blacked out. Like, so especially if you come back here, this is probably what I'm going to end up using for the thumbnail, the before and after. But yeah, let's go ahead and hop inside, and let's go ahead and see what it looks like when you're actually inside the vehicle now. So this is inside the vehicle. So as you guys can see, I got the eyebrow done, looks good. Side windows look good, and if we look from the back, look how much better that is. It's actually tinted out now. Boom. Really happy with how this turned out. Thank you guys for watching. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. And if you didn't watch last week's video where I did the sick edit where I got the spoiler installed, there should be a link to it somewhere over here, or it should pop up here in a little bit. But yeah, stay tuned for more content. We just got more 370Z content coming up. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace.